Hey everyone, Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to my channel, The Creative Moon. If you are new here, hi, and I'm Rishika Gupta, and this is your cozy corner for all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So this video is gonna be a very quick get ready with me in a three-piece shrub set that I have got from Flipkart. And yes, the prices are minimal again, and you can wear this one at any wedding function, in any pre-wedding functions, as a bride or as a bridesmaid. You can style it up accordingly. And few styling tips and tricks I'm gonna tell you in this video. So wait till the end and see how I create this beautiful look. So this is a three-piece cord set. It comes with a beautifully designed inner top, a comfy palazzo, and this gorgeous long line shrug that just completes the look. I picked this one in a pretty pink shade with mirror work. It gives royal yet minimal vibes, don't you think? So let's style this up together. There you go, guys. This is the full fit. I'm not wore any jewelry or slippers or bags on me. This is the raw how it looks. This is so beautiful. It hit my heart. जब ही मैंने इसको पहली बार देखा आई मीन मैं दिल दे बैठी दिस लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल सो स्टनिंग एंड इट इज कंफर्टेबल for sure for long term wearers it is comfortable for the festives or for all kinds of functions ये जो मैंने अपने लिए साइज मंगाया है ये एल है a little loose in the blouse but the pants fits me perfectly and shrug is like a free size one it is amazing it has got a mirror work over here, all over actually, and at the back also as I showed you earlier. So let's style it. Ab, why not start with the accessories? Okay, why not? I have got some accessories to style it properly. Let me show you one by one. Let's start with this watch and I think it perfectly matches with my outfit. So for the right hand, I've got these two AD bangles. Though these are from a local market, but if I found the similar ones online, I'll attach the links in the description below. So these are the AD bangles. And for the rings, I have got some AD rings, some beautiful AD rings because it has mirror work. So I just wanted to style them in a similar manner. Okay, so these two. Next thing I want to do to enhance this outfit is my hair and makeup. Okay, so there you go. I have done my hair and makeup look. As you all can see how heavy the neckline of this top is. So I have got this minimal necklace from Giva. Okay, so for the footwear, I've got these ones that I wore on my wedding day and these hold so many memories. So these are the one and the last hero product, the clutch. Okay, so there you go, guys. My look is completed. Okay, so there you go, guys. This was my first ever get ready with me with you guys. So let me know in the comments below that how did you find this video and this look. Obviously, I am so in love with this look. How did you find this, guys? I'll put all the links of all the products I am accessorizing in this video. Hopefully, I find the dupes of these as well. That's a wrap for this video. See you in the next one with another amazing get ready with me and an amazing outfit again. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment down below how did you like this look? Rate it out of 10, I would say. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from my side. Till then, take care, stay fashionable. Bye bye. राधे राधे।